Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to expand brackets in algebra. So when you first see an equation like 4 open bracket 8x plus 4 close bracket, you might think that that's a bit confusing and a bit scary. But in the reality of things, it's actually quite simple. When you see something like this, it means you're going to multiply everything on the inside of this bracket, so these numbers here, by this number. So this is called expanding. So you're going to want to multiply the first two terms. So 4 times 8, which is 32. So 4 times 8 is 32. But since we have this x here, we need to remember to put that x behind it. So now that we've got that first term, we move on over to the second one. So we would do 4 times 4, like how we just did here. So once we times 4 and 4 together, we get 16. So 16. And since there is an addition here, it's a plus. So it's positive. So this equals, so 4 open bracket 8x plus 4 close bracket would equal 32x plus 16. Now let's try another one. Just grab my eraser tool. Better yet, I could just erase all of this like this. Now, let's try another equation. So, if we get 5, why did that change? If we get 5x, so the x is on the outside this time. 9 plus 4. You might think, what do we do now? But if you use your noggin, I think you can understand where we're going. So just like before, we times this. So 5 times 9, which is 45. And since there's an x there, we got to remember to add the x. Then positive value, it's plus, and then 5 times 4, which is 20. So 20. But since the number outside of the bracket had the x, we got to add an x here. And since these are both common things, common numbers, because they both have x's, we can plus them together. So 45 plus 20. Oops. So if we do this good old thing. So that's 5, and then 4 plus 2, 6. So then this would equal 65 power of x. So that would be the answer for that one. Now let's try something a bit trickier. Now, if we have, let's do one more. If we have an equation like 3a minus 7, you might think to yourself, like you did before, what on earth is going on? It looks so confusing. But if you break it down like we did the last few ones, it's actually quite easy. So 3 times a would give us 3a. So that's 3a. And then since this is a different one, there's it's negative value. So if multiply this. Oh, I forgot to draw this. My bad. We multiply. So 3 times -7 would give us -21. Minus 21. So that's our answer. 3a minus 21. See, it's a lot easier than one might think initially. And that's it. That's expanding brackets. It's just multiplying the number on the outside by each term on the inside. In reality, once you get the pattern, it becomes really simple to do. And a lot easier to do with bigger numbers. So that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you later. Bye.